Hi everyone, this is Dr. Katie from Scribenote. Today we'll be covering PIMSPal, which is Scribenote's newest feature where you will get your note from Scribenote into ezyVet and also Pulse, but today we'll focus on ezyVet. So we're going to start on our good old Google browser. I am on Google Chrome and we're going to search for the Chrome Web Store. So you'll see it come up and then we will search for PIMSPal. And we can open that, and you're just going to click this Add to Chrome button. Now, we'll go to Scribenote once we have that downloaded. I just want to show you that I have this medical record for Percy sitting in my inbox. This will be important later. We'll go to ezyVet, where I have Percy's record, and our SOAP fields. We'll open the subjective, click within the box, and what Scribenote will do is pick the note that most appropriately matches the patient that you're in ezyVet. So if it doesn't, so say you don't have the patient's name there or, some other reason, it's a different name or whatever, you can click and select a different note or search for a note or search for somebody else's note as well. And you also can see that I can close and open the icon as I'm going through. So every section that I click inside, this icon will just be here, kind of sitting here, and you'll be able to open it and then go and do what you need to do. So other things to note before we transfer this note in is we can select notes that are created by somebody else. So say I've recorded this on behalf of another doctor at my practice, I can go and select them from this list and then find their notes and import those. And then also the other thing to note here is replace existing content. So if you had a pre-filled subjective, you wanted to overwrite that, you just need to make sure that this little check mark is selected. So then getting your note into ezyVet, super fast. All we have to do is press this import button and it will import all of the subjective. And then as we move through, Scribenote will automatically move sections. So we're in the objective now, and this is the objective section. So same thing, import, and then click the next button, import, and next section. So now that we're on the plan, what happens once we import the plan is in Scribenote itself, this note will move. So I'll show you. So once we hit import and then add, our note is complete, all in ezyVet, less than 5 seconds. We'll go to Scribenote. The note is gone from our inbox. And if we look at our expanded inbox, it is now in our exported notes. So we can easily keep track of what notes we've put in for that day in clinic. I hope that helps.